Here's how you can enable the lock home screen layout to prevent apps from moving around, prevent widgets from moving around, and this is for the Tecno Spark phone. So if you don't want your items moving around, let's just say you do that and you want to get that lock here, basically on the home screen, long press like this and go here to the desktop setting right there. Then in this area with all the desktop settings, go all the way down until you see others right here. Then you're going to see lock layout. So this is for Tecno Spark phones, Tecno Pova phones, or even the Tecno Camon phones. And even if you have the latest Android 15 or 16, you should see this feature here. You can also type in lock layout in the settings and it should take you there. So once you have this turned on, you can now just have your items locked in place and it won't move it around, okay? And of course, if you ever want to undo this, you can just go back to the settings itself, go to others and disable it. And then once you're done with that, you can now move your items around, all right? Like and sub.